Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M21 and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, we want to open the standalone contacts app, which is right here. And tap on the three bars right here and go to Manage Contacts. Choose Import or Export Contacts and then Import and select your SIM card. It will give you all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. So from here you can either select all of them by tapping right here, like so, or simply select the ones that, for instance, you want. And once you're satisfied with everyone that is selected, tap on Done and choose where you want it imported to. So for me, I have two options, Google and phone. If you are not logged into Google account, you won't see this option right here. But if you are, you should have both of them, just as I do. And I'm gonna choose phone, that's where I want to import it anyway. Then tap on import, and that's basically done. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.